Blox Core is the world's first modular smartwatch, allowing you to add features when you need them, and remove them when you don't. Blox has developed several modules already, but there are many more planned. By the end of January 2018, it will release a developer kit so others can also make modules for the watch. The early signs are promising then, but plentiful modules is only part of the puzzle, as they need to be paired with a decent device. The main watch body is the Blox Core, and it has a premium look and feel with an all-metal design. You can attach any 22mm strap to the watch body, and use it as a standard smartwatch with no modules at all. Modules can snap on both the top and the bottom strap connectors, and the modules themselves are actually part of the strap, which means they'll sit round your wrist. You can stack modules, allowing you to have several connected at the same time. Blox says you'll likely not want more than 4 on at any one time, and those with smaller wrists will want to top out at 3. The Blox Core has a circular 1.39-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 400 by 400, providing clear, detailed information. On screen you'll find it runs Android 8 Oreo, and not Google's dedicated wearable platform, Android Wear. It's all fairly intuitive, and the quad-core MediaTek chipset and 512MB of RAM do a good enough job of keeping everything running. In terms of battery life, without modules, Blox says you'll get up to 40 hours use from a single charge of the 350 mAh battery.